it's hot, right? We agree that the volcano is hot. And lava, yeah. It's also it gets like yes. It's hot, right? It's hot, right? And the fire is coming out, lava and rocks also, right? So it can be dangerous. It's nice to see if you're far away, but it gets dangerous if you're nearby, right? Like the Mount Vesuvius on the video. Remember, it covered all the city, right? Okay. Okay, so are we ready to move to the next word?
Yeah.
Okay. So the number, let's pick number 2. Number 2. So Sabrina, Anthony, and Catalina. Word number 2, please, on the table.
Josie or Giovanni.
No, they'll assign to do it. They'll do it. They'll do number 2. Okay, and then go back to your seat. Thank you. No, you can go. You can go. You wanna? Okay. So, okay, you wanna go, Joel? Nelsie, you wanna go? Okay. So number 2. Then you will be next. Okay, you will be next, please. Number 2. So number 2 right here. This is number 2, and then take it to group. Thank you. Okay. So can I borrow number 2 from someone else? Okay. Thank you. Okay. So now we have magnets, right? Okay. So let's see the definition. If magnets with the S is plural, magnet with no S is singular. It says it's an object or material that attracts magnetic materials. So remember, magnetic materials would be metals, right? We had examples of a metal attracted by the magnet, right? Some magnetic materials include iron, steel, cobalt, and nickel. And a sentence I use, the magnet is attracted by the soda can. Okay, so now talk to your group about magnet.
What?
Yes, true. Attract the magnet attract metals, and that's called it's called by attraction field. Yes. So attract when it's metal, attract. When if you try to use it in plastic, it will repel. It will repel, so it doesn't attract to all materials. Yes. Yeah, it has a magnetic field that if when you attract, it can move the material. So it's gonna move the material because it's the attraction of the magnetic field. Okay. Yes. What's your question? Oh yeah, that's the magnet. Yeah, the picture of the magnet. How we doing here, guys, in this group? Good? Yeah, I see you were explaining. Good job. Good job. Okay, can we move to the next word? Okay, so we're ready to move to the next word. So you wanna go now, Blaze? Carolina, you wanna still come in and pick the word? Okay. And now we're gonna pick word. I haven't decided. Yes, Cassandra? Oh, you want? Okay. So we're gonna pick word number 3. Place number 3. You put that in the envelope. Number 2 you put in the envelope. So number 3, Cassandra. I'll show you which one is number 3 right here. Okay. So now Carolina, number 3 right here. Right here. Okay. So thank you, Blaze. So it's on the poster. So poster, the definition is a large printed picture used for decoration. Synonyms, announcement, sign, notice. Sentence that I use for poster, it says the poster shows the season of the earth. Remember we talked about the season of the earth in our previous classes, right? Okay, so now I'll talk to your group about poster. Like yeah, like a picture, like a visual, right?
It could be a funny. It could be a picture of acid.
Yeah, that like in this section.
Now we can put it.
Yeah. So poster, right? So poster, let's see. That can be a poster, right? Where do you see a poster here in the classroom? It says also there is a sign. So that's a sign, so that's a poster. And then an announcement. Yeah, so that can be a poster too, right? So we have plenty of posters here in the classroom. They are giving us a sign or giving us information, right? Okay, okay, good job. Yes, Blaze? What is it? So I was talking to them that we have many posters here around the classroom. You see, this one is like, this is giving us information. That can be a post. There's a poster. We have a poster also in the door, and you see the picture is over there. So that's also a poster. The rules for the iPad, right? Okay. Okay. So are we all good with the word poster?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're ready to move to the next word. Will be number 7. Who wants to go? You still want to go? Or let's you can. So let's go. Blaze can go one more time, and then you go after that. You wanna go now? Okay, you can go, Johnny. Thank you, Carolina. Thank you. And then you wanna go. You wanna go? Okay, let Sabrina go. Cassandra and Sabrina's going now. Number 7. Word number 7. Remember the one that you already picked? Number 7. It's gonna be a fun one. I know you guys will like it. Number 7. And then go back to your group. Go back to your group. Number 7. 7 is number 7. This is not number 7. Okay. Okay, I will read number 7. It's a worm. Okay, we saw a live worm, right? The next one will see a live worm. So let's see for the definition. Worms are elongated invertebrates, so it means they don't have bones with soft tissue that cannot be classified, so they don't have a family member yet within a single group. The sentence that I use, the worms I use as a bait when I go fishing with my friends. Okay, so this is a word that we can talk a lot. So what do you guys know about worms? Wow, yeah, we saw that in the story, and we were talking about in the presentation, right? That's good. I mean, he gave a good fact, right? So they help the environment. They eat the garbage that is in the ground, right, to protect the environment. They dig tunnels, and the water will filter in the soil. Yeah, that's the leaf. The leaf is the one that turns green. That will be for the leaves. Okay, so what can you tell us about worms, Giovanni? They dig, right? They dig on the ground, right? So that means that they live. Where do they live? Okay, they live outside, but they live on the tree or they live on the ground? On the ground, right? On the ground. Yeah, they do. They're very sticky, right? They're very sticky, but they usually normally they live underground. They dig a hole in the ground. What do we have here about worms? What do you guys? Wow, good points. Thank you, Carolina. Thank you, Carolina. Well, those are good, really good points. They eat the trash that is on the ground, so they protect the environment. Yes? Yeah, they dig holes but then the wire will go into that hole and will keep will help the environment and the trees. Yes? Yeah, when they go on the ground, it is a hole, and the wire will filter in those holes, so it will helpful for the soil, and the soil will give